Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can see removed friends on Snapchat. Before getting into this video, must subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Snapchat. Once you open Snapchat, you simply need to click on the message icon, and here you need to open any of your friend, and here you can see the Snapchat score of that friend. But let's suppose I unfriend a friend. So here you can see that I unfriend this person, and here you can see that you are unable to see her Snapchat score. So this is the method by which you can see your removed friends from Snapchat that you removed, and you are unable to see their Snapchat score, and you are easily get to know that you removed that person from your friend list on Snapchat. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.